Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make iCloud email account. So for this purpose, first you need to open Settings app on your mobile device. Then here at the top, you have this Apple account option, click on it. Then Apple account page will pop up. Here you need to scroll down and click on iCloud. Then on iCloud page, here you need to scroll down and here you have this option, saving is paused. At the front of it, you have the option of see all, tap on it. Then this page will pop up. Here you have this option iCloud mail. You simply need to tap on it. Then here you need to enter email, or in suggestions you have your email accounts. You simply need to select anyone. Or if you want to add another account, so just enter it in email section. Then at the bottom you have this option continue. You simply need to click on it. Then this page will pop up. Here tap on confirm email address. Then here you can see your new iCloud mail address is this, and you can start using your new email address. So at the bottom you have this done button. You simply need to click on it. Then again go back to this page and again click on iCloud mail. Now this type of page will pop up. Here you have this option use on this iPhone. Make sure this option is turned on. If this option is turned off, then what you need to do, simply click on this button and make it on. And in account information you have this option addresses. You simply need to click on it. And here click on your email, then this address details page will pop up. Here you can enter your address details like address, full name, and send from, like this type of details you can add here. So this is how you can make iCloud email account. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.